Welcome to Fujifilm Sonosite service training on the Sonosite LX and PX. This series covers breakdown of the Sonosite LX and PX into their component service assemblies. In this video, we will cover removal and replacement of the stand USB port. It is important that proper precautions are taken during servicing to protect the system and its internal components from electrostatic discharge. Always ensure the system is powered off and disconnected from AC before servicing. It is recommended that a grounding strap be worn by whomever is performing the service. For this portion of servicing the Sonosite PX, you will need a T10 Torx bit, a torque driver set to 7.0 inch-pounds, and a small prying tool. Torque all fasteners to 7.0 inch-pounds. 0.79 Newton meters unless specified otherwise. Lock two of the stand casters to keep it from moving. Use a small pry tool or other similar non-destructive object to remove the stand battery cover. Disconnect the two power cables from the stand battery by turning the collars counterclockwise until they are free, then pull the cable connectors off the stand battery. Remove the stand and printer power cords from the base of the stand. Remove the USB printer cover and unplug the USB cable. Use a T10 Torx bit to remove the two screws securing the USB port on the back of the stand column. From the front of the stand, reach into the opening under the stand battery and pull the USB port from its location. Pull the USB port out of the front opening and separate from the USB cable. Installation of the new USB port is accomplished by reversing this procedure. If assistance with ordering parts or isolating repairs is needed, please contact Fujifilm Sonosite Technical Support.